Hey, Team Rebellis, Daryl here again. Today we're going to discuss how you go about scheduling your certification tests. Most of you should be progressing through Rebellis Academy, going after those certifications like CompTIA Plus, Security Plus, or ITIL 4. And as you get to the end of that training, we want to make sure that you have the availability to go take that certification testing. So we'll start talking about that, and I'll walk you through the process on how we do it. As you look at my screen, as you can see, we're on rebellisdg.com. What you're going to do is you're going to come over here to Team Portal. You're going to click on Self-Service, and that's going to bring up your self-service portal where you're going to be able to do all the things that you need to do through Rebellis. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll see Rebellis Academy and Training. You'll see the Rebellis Academy that we use through LinkedIn Learning. And then right next to that, you're going to see the New Horizons Computer Learning Center, or also for our test scheduling. Go ahead and click on that tab. It's going to bring up the New Horizons web page, and it's going to talk about the certification testing. I encourage all of you to take a look at this website. There's a bunch of training and certifications, a bunch of classes that you can take. Rebellis is all about having you take more education. If there are some things on here that you'd like to take class-wise, make sure you go through the process to get that approved so that you can be reimbursed. For our team members that are outside of the Albuquerque area, don't worry about that. You can go to Site Search, you can go into the location you're at, and it'll bring up the New Horizons Computer Learning Center for where you're at. So go ahead and take a look at that real quick. For everything else, when we look at what we are going to be doing for CompTIA or ITIL, as you can see here, Pearson View testing is what the Horizon Center uses. Click on the link. Once the link comes on, it'll come to this web page. So you are a test taker. So we're going to hit test taker. We're going to schedule an exam. And then we are going to search in the search bar for CompTIA. It'll bring up the CompTIA folder. And then it'll bring up the page for the certification testing. At this point, you're going to go ahead and create an account. I've already created the account for myself, so all I'll do is sign in. Once I sign in, we're going to come up and we're going to click View Exams. And it's going to give a listing of all the CompTIA exams I can take. Like I said, there are a lot of them. We'll concentrate on the CompTIA A+ certification exams. And there's going to be 4 exams that come up. You're going to be looking for the 220-10001 or the certification exam for the Core 1. Once that comes up, choose English or whatever language you'd like it in. Click Next. It'll come up with your exam details. You'll go ahead and schedule the exam. If you are a veteran at Rebellis Development Group and you'd like to use your government funding, your GI Bill, you can click on yes for this. Again, if you don't want to use that, click on no, and we are going to reimburse you for this test exam once you've passed. Click on next. It's going to come up with your location that you put into your account, and it's going to show you what the closest web place is. Ours, of course, is the C&M Work Center because it's the closest to our headquarters building. Then you can go on there and schedule your exam. For example, we'll schedule on the 29th. We'll choose what time, 8:30. And then it'll bring up your order. Once you're done with your order, you'll proceed to checkout. And then you can go in there and confirm your personal information. Talk about the testing policies, agree to those. And then here's where you'll put your information in. Remember, Rebellis will reimburse you once you've passed the test. You're going to bring your certification test score sheet saying that you've passed. You'll submit it to HR, and from there, we will reimburse you. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, you can always email us at info@rebellisdg.com or call us at 505-246-6903. Please, if you have any other questions, give us a contact, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you and have a great day.